Hey, Shaylin,
Yeah.
you know what this is?
Lettuce?
Yeah, like a Bibb lettuce.
Yeah.
You know what it isn't?
What?
A tortilla. That's right. Today, this is a tortilla, by the way. Okay? Today, we're making key tacos. No. Idiot. Idiot. Hey, Shaylin,
Yes.
you know what this is?
Bibb lettuce.
Bibb lettuce. You know what it is not?
What?
It's not a tortilla. And today, we're gonna make some keto-friendly tortillas. And remember this, lettuce is not just tortillas.
Yeah.
We're making keto-friendly fish taco. Hey, Shaylin.
Yes.
Oh, too far away. And we're not using lettuce as a tortilla. Stay tuned, you're gonna wanna watch this. Nope. One
It's
more time.
closer.
We'll go on and watch this. Ready?
Yes.
Hey, Shaylin,
Yes.
you know what this is?
Bibb lettuce.
Yeah, you know what it's not?
What?
It's not a tortilla. No. Today we're gonna make healthy blackened fish tacos you won't believe. And it's got a low carb tortilla that's delicious that Shaylin's gonna make. Stay tuned.